Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a game pass on Roblox, okay? So the first thing I want to do and take note of is I'm using Microsoft Edge right now. If you want to use Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox is still there, and actually Opera, every browser is accessible. It's perfectly fine as long as you have access, of course, to the internet, okay? So let's get started right here. Just type in Roblox on your browser of your choice. Roblox.com, www of course, and then this should be your landing page. As you can see here, if you have a different landing page, make sure you're logged in, because right now I'm currently logged in. I created this account with my Facebook account or Gmail account. You can use it also, as long as of course with access to it, okay? So with this one, simply hover your mouse on the top section, which is the create section right here, just between Marketplace and Roblox. Click on create right there, and then Roblox actually made the update regarding the create section or create landing page. Before, it isn't like this. It's actually this is actually better. I won't say the one before is bad or worse, but this is actually an upgrade, okay? So with this one, make sure you're on the experience tab. You're not on events or other items. Make sure you're in the experience tab, and then click on this default place. This is going to be your default place on your Roblox. So click on it, and basically click on associated items right here, and there you go. You can see passes like there. Click on it like so. So you haven't created any passes, so let's try creating one. Basically, it's just the same process as creating a t-shirt and decals. I have a video about those two, please check it out. And then simply choose any photo for your thumbnail of this pass, okay? I'm just gonna use this one. It's a girl I got from the internet, so let's just name it girl photo pass or game pass, simple as that. And then description, let's just say pass game, simple as that. Simply click on that one. So basically, I just created a game pass on my default registries. Fortnite place is actually the default. Everyone who created a Roblox account has this place right here, okay? And that's it. I just created a pass here, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.